My name is Dr. Manis K. Matthews. I'm the chairman of Christ Memorial Group of Schools. We are running with 3 schools in Bhopal, and we have a strength of 2000 plus students, and 60% of these students, they are Sindhis. And just to create awareness that Sindhi language should be taught in our school, we are agreed with Asha Chand ma'am that we can teach right from the beginning. We can teach students their language, Sindhi language. Previously also I had in my mind that we should start, as we started the school in the year 1974 in Baragarh. So this was the first English medium school, and as we are into the Sindhi community, I also wanted that we should start. So long back I had a plan to start a Sindhi literature in our school. One classes sort of we can start. So but as Asha Chand ma'am motivated, and now we are promising that we should start this classes in our school right from the beginning, right from class first. मुंहिंजी कर्म भूमि यही आहे. मां सिंधी भाषा खे ॾाढो सुठो आहे. सिंधी भाषा मुझे सिंधी भाषा से प्यार है. So I wanted to start it and we'll start.